Okay, so our last activity class, no? The same as last meeting, no? We're going to make 2D drawing and then 3D modeling, no? So for the 2D drawing class, no? So this will be the problem, no? Lamppost detail, no? So we have the plan or top view. So we just have to follow the dimensions, no? As shown. And then again, no? This is plan view or top view, no? Of the lamppost, no? Then here sa ubos class, no? This is the elevation, no? So magtanaw ka, no? Your eyes, no? Padung dito tanaw. So mo na siyang elevation, kita na tong kilid. So these are the given heights, no? You just follow the labels, no? The specs, no? Specifications, no? Then at the bottom, this is the one class, no? Sidewalk, no? Top of sidewalk here. Then this is our reference elevation, no? At 0, 0. Then this is the pedestal, no? With the stone finish. Then this one is the 0.10 meter diameter pipe, no? Then here, this is the holder, no? Of the lighting fixture, no? Suga, this one. Okay, so you just no? Kana siyang refer to this plan and then the corresponding elevation, no? When you do the modeling, no? So for the 2D drawing, the same class, no? You construct this one, no? As shown, together with the dimensions, and then together with the labels, no? Text, no? And then also make one class kana siyang layering, no? I-layer siya, no? So you layer the part like this one, no? This is the pedestal, no? The square. So this one, no? The square, na. Then kani mo ni ang katong holder, no? The horizontal one, no? But in elevation it's curved, no? This one. So you can label that as holder, and this one you can label that as lighting fixture, no? So rather pwede nimo siya i-kuan class, no? Layer, no? So layer gyapon ta class, no? Then also layer, no? Layer the kuan class labels or text. Then layer the dimensions. Okay? Titles, layer, and ano. Then if there are lines nga, let's say you cannot give a name, just leave it 0, no? Sa layer nga, let's say LA, ang na 0, no? That's our current line, no? So yeah, 0 lang na. Pwede ka maghimo kag layer, you make a layer and then name as 1, no? So you make a layer nga mo siya lang. If there are lines nga 1, you cannot give a name, then you set to 1 or you set to 0. Okay? So first nga part is we'll start with the na class. Here, no? Yan, pasakat na, no? Again, no? Ang units ani class is meters, no? So first is you have to save as. No? Save as. Before you make any drawing, it should be save as. No? Then this will be the class, no? Kana siyang title, no? Last activity at the same time, our final exam, no? Okay, so you write the name and then save, no? The next is options. For the options, here class, no? Type options, enter, and then here you set to this AutoCAD 2013, no? And then 5 minutes, no? So that it will have automatic saving of version 2013, no? So in case you have 2020, it's automatic save 2013. So meaning I can no? Open your file, no? Although I just have the 18, no? Okay. Apply and then okay. Another to set class, no? Here, no? This one. You should be at 3D modeling, no? So it could be you are at drafting an annotation, no? So you just set to, you just click this one class, no? Click, then choose 3D modeling, no? In case you cannot find this one, that means class nga you have to set here, no? Click this one, no? Let's say dili ka kakitaan dili ka kita sa 3D modeling or even katong annotation 2D, then it's here class na siya, workspace. So that's checked, no? Meaning it's visible. If it's unchecked, so it's gone. But if you click this one, then workspace, okay, so it's now visible, no? You can choose from drafting 2D and 3D modeling. So since we are into 3D modeling naman, set na lang daan class, no? Although we're going to first set the 2D, no? So first sequence, plan. Second sequence, the 2D, no? You just project the lines, no? Follow the colors, follow the line types, no?